breakfast. We are just outside Hot Springs, Arkansas. Today I'm going to show you how to make croissants a l'orange for breakfast at Tiffany's. Okay, I've got a sprayed pan and I'm going to take my croissants and cut the tops off of them and put them in the pan. And then I've got a mixture of orange juice and orange marmalade. And we'll just put a little bit of that in the inside of the croissant. Like that. And then put the tops back on the croissants. Okay, next we're going to mix a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream with a 1/4 cup of vanilla. Normally I use almond extract, but I've got a guest with a nut allergy, so I'm staying away from the nuts this time. And 1 egg, and we'll mix that all together and then pour it over the croissants. And vanilla. And now I'm going to mix it up. And now I'm going to pour it over the croissants. You ready? Okay, and the last step is to just pour a little bit of marmalade on the top of your croissants, and we're gonna stick that in the oven, in the refrigerator overnight, and then I will see you in the morning when we stick it in the oven. Good morning! It's time to put our croissants a l'orange in the oven. They have been they soaked in the refrigerator overnight. They've now been out of the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and we're gonna put them in the oven for about another 30 minutes at 350. And then they'll be ready to serve. Okay, breakfast is served. Croissants a l'orange, sausage links, and a slice of watermelon.